Wow, so beautiful nature. I know that Mbatina Bulia loves strawberry so much. I come home.
How are you?
Hey Mbatina Bulia, apa kabar?
Halo semua, apa kabar?
Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya.
Nah, hari ini Mbak Tina Bule dan
Pak Ana boleh?
mau bikin video kalian kali ini saya dari Indonesia dan Mbak Ana dari Rusia. Kalau pengen lihat dan tahu kita ngomong tentang subjek apa hari ini harus nonton videonya ya. Tapi sebelum nonton video ini jangan lupa
Subscribe.
share-nya juga ya. Yuk.
Mbak Tina Bule's Adventure.
Jadi untuk kalian yang nonton dari rumah, maaf ya kalau delay dikit-dikit soalnya wifi-nya kadang-kadang koneksinya putus, tapi nggak apa-apa kan, yang penting kita lagi video call sama Ana. Ana, how are you?
Ya, baik-baik. Terima kasih. Apa kabar, Mbak Tina boleh?
Baik sekali, I call you because I miss you. We didn't talk for so long ya.
Oh, so long, ya.
Ana, how is Rusia
I
now?
miss you. Oh, it's okay. I think it's same like in Indonesia. Everybody sitting at home, quarantine.
Nah, jadi aku tadi tanya Ana bagaimana situasi di Rusia sekarang, dia bilang sama seperti di Indonesia, semua di rumah aja, karantina ya, karantin.
Ya, quarantine.
Nah,
We're going to
karantina.
out only for shop. Ya, karantina. Coronavirus, corona.
Yeah, and also Ana, you wanted to come this year back to Indonesia, right?
I wanted, but now I'm not sure that it's possible.
Ya, karena soalnya kemarin semalam saya dan Ana lagi ngomong di WhatsApp, terus Ana tiba-tiba bilang kalau ada gubernur Rusia yang bilang kalau tahun ini udah nggak boleh terbang lagi kemana-mana, jadi sebenarnya mungkin bendaranya ketutup tahun 2020. So, but yeah, I just told them that you told me last night that probably you cannot fly anymore this year, yeah, from Russia.
Yeah, this year. Yeah, but hopefully it's not true.
Ya, semoga enggak ya. Oh ya, Nusa. So, tell us, kan Ana udah kirim saya beberapa foto dan video dari rumah aja dari Rusia. Nanti kita akan masukin juga ya video itu yang ada Ana kirim. I told them that you already sent me some videos and we will show them also the videos from your home. You have an amazing yard, yeah? In your house? In your house.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fitness 24. Wow, so beautiful nature. Oh my god, so nice. Ronda. Good girl. Коля, хати. Hey Mbak Tina Bule, apa kabar? Saya, I miss you so much. Hello everyone from Russia. We are on quarantine. Mostly we are sitting at home but now we wanted to go in forest. So here we are. Fresh air. Коля!
Карболи веду!
Ты как дедуля старенький. Like grandpa, Коля. Ой.
Yeah, that's good that I can walk outside. I can't imagine to sit at home all day. It's so bad.
Wait, I hope the sound.
Can you imagine people who live in apartments?
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, here is the same situation in Romania too. My family is the same. So yeah, the one in apartment is really bored, I guess.
Yeah.
Ya, jadi kita bilang kalau masih tinggal di rumah masih aman ya, karena bisa keluar seperti saya di luar komplek dan masih safe, masih aman ya. Kalau Ana punya itu yardnya besar banget. Ana,
Да.
how is it to be back home?
Yeah. What?
How is it to be back home? You miss us?
Of course I miss you already. So many. How many months? February,
Only 3 months. But
March. But it's too much. Yeah, before I missed home, I missed my family. I miss my family, of course, but now ready to go back.
Ya, kata Ana,
Yeah.
kemarin pas di Indonesia, karena lumayan lama ya di Indonesia kemarin, dia bilang udah kangen sama keluarga, tapi sekarang udah ketemu sama mereka, dia pengen lagi ke sini, keluarga kedua katanya. Ya, Ana, we hope so much you can come back this year.
Yeah, me too. I mean, because in Indonesia I can do what I like. I can open myself.
Ya, kata Ana di Indonesia dia lebih senang di sini karena dia paling senang di sini. Ana, but tell us, like, what are you doing every day in this lockdown? How are you facing the quarantine?
Oh, okay. I woke up.
Okay,
Have my breakfast.
Jadi guys, aku tanya Ana bagaimana Ana di karantin ini, selama karantin ini dia ngapain aja setiap hari. Terus katanya dia bangun sarapan. Oke, lanjut Ana, terus you wake up.
Usually I'm spending all my time with my family or with my little brother, with Kolya. We are walking outside or we are sitting at home playing, yeah, or watching cartoons. Yeah. Or when I have my free time, I'm watching Netflix. Yeah, I'm watching Netflix or reading a book or studying. I have online classes sometimes.
Well, lucky you.
Yeah. Very
Jadi
lucky.
Ana bilang
Yeah.
soalnya dia setiap hari pasti bangun ya, pasti bangun sarapan, habis itu seharian dia bersama keluarga, dia masih kuliah, jadi kadang-kadang ada online class atau main sama adiknya yang kecil namanya Kola, atau jalan-jalan, atau baca buku, atau begitulah seperti kita semua yang di rumah aja.
Future strawberry, guys. I know that Mbatina Bulia loves strawberry so much. Strawberry jam with grapes. Mbatina Bulia, special for you. Future strawberry from Russia. Oh, so nice. I come home. So now, Mbatina Bulia, please tell me, what are you doing on your quarantine time at home? Miss you so much, love you. Коля, what are you doing? The sweaters? So nice. Lilo and Stitch. Garfield. Spider-Man. Donald Duck. О, who is this, Коля? Кто это?
Заяц.
Заяц. Бакс Банни, Коля. Бакс Банни.
Дани.
Банни.
Дани, а не Бани.
Окей. Up to you. Улыбнись. Smile. Окей. Continue.
Запад, кабачки, запад, кабачки. Кабачки, запад, кабачки, запад, кабачки, запад, кабачки, запад, кабачки, запад, кабачки, запад.
Фу. Давай, continue.
Alkun matatap di man ibunda.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bagi Buddha.
Скажи, terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih banyak.
Молодец. So now, Batina Bule, it's your turn. Please show me what are you doing in your quarantine free time. Love you. Saya cinta. Oh, okay, yeah. Kiss you, love
Das
you.
Videos.
Bye bye. See you next video.
Everybody is safe ya. Semua aman di Rusia kan?
Sometimes we have big garden, so I need to help my grandma.
Oke, jadi tadi Ana bahas tentang dia ngapain setiap hari seperti kita semua yang di rumah aja. And Anna, you told us you have a big garden. So what are you doing in the garden?
Yeah, I'm helping my grandma. We already have strawberry at home.
I know.
Your favorite
Video
strawberry.
that is so cute and so good. That's what I miss about home too. This is the season of strawberry.
Yeah.
Jadi Ana udah di taman itu karena di rumah aja dia bantuin omanya gardening, jadi tanam-tanam gitu. Udah stroberinya sudah jadi guys. Aku mau makan strawberry juga. So yummy ya.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, so yeah. Now we just started to put everything like to growing. Soon we will have vegetables, fruits.
Jadi Ana bersama keluarga udah mulai tanam. Hah?
Yeah, potato, carrots,
Jadi mereka punya
tomato.
kentang, wortel, so carrots, potatoes, what else?
Tomato,
Tomat.
no apple we have already trees, so many apple trees. Yeah,
Di pohon
what
apel
else?
banyak
Strawberry, berry, lemon.
Oh, lemon juga jadi jeruk
Apa
yang
apa itu?
apa namanya?
Yeah, so apa namanya? Yeah, strawberry, berry. Oh, so many. Wild berry. So many.
So yummy. Jadi, so you're still home
Yeah.
but you're very busy ya. Jadi walaupun Ana tetap di rumah aja,
Yeah.
sibuk banget.
Yes, sometimes I'm cleaning my room, not only my room, whole house.
Jadi bersihin juga sering-sering dan ya we are the
Yeah.
same Ana, don't worry.
Yeah, babysitter, cleaning lady, garden worker.
Ya, jadi kita walaupun sekarang kan di rumah aja, Ana tadi bahas kita jadi tukang kebun, tukang ini bersih rumah, jadi babysitter semua ya.
Ya, semua.
Ana,
Oke.
ini.
Hug, big hug, give me big hug.
Nah, so itu yang tadi aku mau bilang ke Ana juga, ada banyak banget penonton dan subscriber saya yang tanya, dong, Mbak Ana di mana? Tina, where is Mbak Ana? They miss you so much.
Gimana? Yeah, I miss you too so much.
Jadi Ana rindu kalian semua banget, dan Ana, if you're back, we make YouTube videos again, okay?
Of course, so many.
Jadi Ana
You
udah
already need to think about
konfirmasi
the future content.
of course. Jadi Ana dia
New idea.
kalau balik ke sini pasti kita bikin video lagi bersama. Walaupun sekarang saya di Indonesia dan Ana di Rusia, tetap bisa sempat bikin video bersama untuk kalian. So I say, even though I'm in Indonesia, you are in Russia, we can still figure it out to make videos for my subscribers, right?
Of course, 21st century.
Thank God for the technology, yeah?
Yeah,
Can you imagine
I
if
can
we
see
live
you.
in the time where we have no phone, no connection, and we need to send letters from Russia?
Letters 1 year, and after someone will send you my letter.
Okay, Anuta, so now we want to play the videos for our subscribers, for them to see too how you are in Russia and how you take walks every day with your family and how you're basically spending your time, ya? Jadi sekarang kita lagi mau kasih lihat bagaimana Ana di Rusia, bagaimana jalan-jalan setiap hari. Jadi silakan nonton itu. Oke lah, jadi begini kita hari ini saya bersama Ana. Semoga nanti kita bisa akan collab online lagi ya. Oke Ana, koneksinya udah mulai jelek, jadi kita udah dulu ya. Kalau suka video ini, jangan lupa
Subscribe,
like, dan
comment.
share-nya juga ya. Maaf ya guys, telat soalnya koneksinya putus-putus. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Dah.
Dadah.
Wah, kisses Ana, bye. Love you.
Love you, love you, love you. No makeup, sorry. Home style. Avast, Коля, be careful. Wait for me. Wait. Подожди, wait, Коля. Идет. What are you doing? Ну хватит, let's go. О, Ронда. Воу. Hai Ronda, apa kabar? Hai Mbak Cina Bule, apa kabar? Saya, I miss you so much.
I'm Boogie.
Hello everyone from Russia. We are on quarantine. Mostly we are sitting at home, but now we want to go in forest. So here we are. Fresh air. Коля!
Harbolibadu! Climbing.
Дай ей камушек, Калюш. Давай.
Молодец, какая похожая.
Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully everything will be fine soon, because I miss so much my Indonesian friends. Indonesia, Batina Bule and her family, Todorini, Dido, Mr. Dido, Baba Di Surya, Aka Horosho. Say, we miss you so much. No, you don't know who is it. You don't miss them. So yeah, hopefully this coronavirus will be done until forever. So we can travel again. Yes? Скажи да.
Да.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I love you.